Hi, I'm Serena Derringer, a senior marketing major.
And I'm Alex Klanowski, a senior accounting major.
Today we are going to talk about the EFE, or otherwise known as the External Factor Evaluation for Kraft Heinz. The EFE is a strategic tool used to examine a company's external environment and to identify opportunities and threats. An opportunity helps a firm achieve strategic competitiveness, while a threat may hinder a company's efforts to achieve strategic competitiveness.
The first step in the EFE is to determine opportunities and threats and assess them at a weight ranging from 0, which means no importance, to 1, which is a high importance. The sum of these weights will add up to 1. Next, we rate each opportunity and threat on a 1 to 4 scale, with 1 being a poor response and 4 meaning a superior response, based on how well the company's current strategy responds to each opportunity and threat. Finally, multiply the weights by ratings to achieve a weighted score and the sum of the weights and sum of the weighted scores. The weighted score of 2.5 is average, so anything above 2.5 means the company is effectively using their strategies. One opportunity we selected for Kraft Heinz that stood out was mergers. We gave it a weight of 0.08 because in 2015, Kraft and Heinz merged together to become the 5th largest food company. The merger between the two companies will have a combined $28 billion in sales revenue annually. Kraft Heinz was on the verge of acquiring Unilever in 2017 before withdrawing their bid because Unilever said the bid fundamentally undervalues the company and it sees no merit either financially or strategically for Unilever's shareholders. We gave this opportunity a rating of 3 because the mergers has had an impact on the company due to the number of products that become part of the company as they acquire different companies. The weighted score for mergers is 0.24. Another opportunity, customers looking for healthier products, is given the highest rating because Kraft Heinz can adapt to keep up with market trends and competitors. The research and development department at Kraft Heinz allows them to keep up with trends and competitors. A rating of 4 and a weighting of 1 is accurate because the company has launched a platform called Springboard for creating innovative products that include the criteria of being organic, a healthy product, and a specialty crafted product. Also, customers are focusing more on the nutrition labels of products to see what types of ingredients make up the product. The evolution of data and the internet has given these consumers better insights into what is healthy and what is not. The weighted score for this opportunity is 0.4, which is the highest weighted score among opportunities. Another opportunity, improving efficiency with technology, was given a weight of 0.06 and a rating of 3. Technology has evolved in the last century, which has led for faster data processing, increased production, less errors, and automation. Using technology to transfer data through each part of the supply chain can increase cohesion and efficiency for the company. Today's PCs and tablets have superior computing power that can be used in many departments for Kraft Heinz. For example, Kraft Heinz can implement forecast planning to decide where to sell products to increase sales, or they can manage informational databases with artificial intelligence. They may use Excel or adaptive insights to see how they can forecast for future sales. Kraft Heinz should capitalize on using technology if they want to stay ahead of competitors. The weighted score for this opportunity is 0.18. These are some of the opportunities that Kraft Heinz can build upon to improve their company.
A threat for Kraft Heinz is the changing lifestyles for consumers. We gave this threat a weight of 1 and a rating of 4. Consumers are looking to buy healthier and eco-friendly products. They are looking for fresher, more organic products rather than processed options. The customers are focusing on the ingredients that are within the products they buy, such as products with a lot of sugar. Customers have more input now into the products they buy than they have ever before. Kraft Heinz should stay ahead of these trends because they may lose business to competitors if they do not. Changing technology is another threat that Kraft Heinz will face as they carry on their business. We weighted this a threat of 0.06 with a rating of 3. Technology has substantially evolved within the last 30 years. Kraft Heinz should adapt to technology such as RFID, radio frequency identification chips, or barcode scanning if they want to have a competitive advantage. Certain technology can simplify tasks and give the company economies of scale. Lastly, tariffs around the world poses a threat to the business of Kraft Heinz. Tariffs are a tax on imports and exports and may lead to more taxes being paid out by Kraft Heinz in order to get their products into consumer hands. Because of this, we rated tariffs a 4 with a weight of 1.
Here's our overall external factor evaluation for Kraft Heinz. Besides the categories of mergers, improving efficiency with technology, and customers looking for healthier products, other opportunity categories include lower supply costs, economies of scale, market growth, and social and environmental sustainability. As you can see, the highest rating for opportunities include some form of trends based on what the customers want. The lowest opportunity was market growth with a score of 0.04, and the highest was customers looking for healthier products with a weight of 0.1. These are the opportunities based on our analysis of the company. For the threats towards Kraft Heinz, a major threat is changing lifestyles and the company's response to tariffs, while minor threats are new entrants and the cost of transportation. Other category threats include laws such as the Equal Employee Opportunity Act and recalls that arise from complaints from customers. The total weighted score for the external factor evaluation was 2.96, which means the current strategies used by Kraft Heinz are efficient. This means that Kraft Heinz can focus more on their strengths and weaknesses than their opportunities and threats based on the EFE score. Thanks for watching our video on the analysis of the external factor evaluation for Kraft Heinz.